Love Indian food? We deliver the finest Indian groceries, straight from the source. At Dear Exim, we specialize in exporting premium Indian groceries to businesses worldwide. From fresh spices to authentic snacks, we bring the best of India to your doorstep. We source directly from trusted suppliers, ensuring top-notch quality and freshness in every shipment. No matter where you are, we ensure safe and timely delivery to your location. With competitive pricing, seamless logistics, and unmatched quality, Dear Exim is your perfect export partner. Looking for a trusted Indian grocery exporter? Contact Dear Exim today. Let's grow together.